Hello everyone, in this video we'll see about how you can install Docker on Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, so you can just see your version over here like cat slash etc os release. So you will see you should have this 26.04. Okay, so we are going to install Docker. So you have to just search on the Google this Docker install, and you have to just go on the second link you can see over here, install Docker engine on Ubuntu. Okay, so just click on it, and then you will come up on this particular page of Ubuntu you can see over here, and you need to just scroll down and you can see OS requirement. You can see over here Ubuntu Resolve 26.04 LTS. So we are on the same version. Okay, so if you have any older version, you can just uninstall. You can just follow this particular tutorial. You can just do this command sudo apt remove, and it will uninstall your older version of Docker. Okay, so now we'll go for the installation. So first step you can see over here is set up Docker's apt repository. So just copy this one and open up your terminal, and you can just go and paste those particular commands just using Control Shift and V. Then you need to maybe enter your password. So now it will do the setup for you. So it will take few seconds of time. So we'll just wait for it. By that time we can just go and check the other steps. So what we have over here, so you can see you have to just install the Docker package, and for this sorry, for that you have to run this particular command, and it's going to install a lot of things for you. Buildx plugin and all, even Docker Compose it's going to install. So that's completely fine. Just copy this particular command and we'll go to the back. Okay, so just hit yes, and it just needs 522 KB, and make sure you should have enough space as well. Let's just wait. Okay, it's almost going to complete. Okay, cool. So now it's done. So the next step, you have to just run those particular commands which you just copied. So let me just clear the screen first over here, and you can just do Control Shift V, and it will again install all those things, and just press yes. That is why you have to do, and you need 423 MB of space for this. So let's just do it. So for this also it will be taking around 1 to 2 minutes of time, depends on your internet speed and all. So we'll just wait for it to complete, and then we can just go for the next step, that is, so after this step your Docker will be installed, and you can just check with this status sudo system ctl status Docker, and if it's not running then we can just start using this particular command. Okay, so let's just wait for the installation of the Docker. So I'll just pause the particular video, and once it will be done I will be just back. Okay, so 90% is almost done. Let's just wait. Okay, so it's done. Now we can just go and check over here. You have to just run this particular command sudo system serial status Docker. So you can see it's active and running. So that's completely fine. That means your Docker is installed perfectly fine. Now the next step is we'll be just running this particular command. It will go and pull the hello world image just to make sure whether your Docker is running perfectly fine or not. So hello world, it's not able to find image locally, so it will pull from the Docker hub. So yeah, it's done. Now we will be doing Docker images. If we do, so it won't work. For that you need to use sudo Docker images. Sorry, images. Okay, but you don't want to use sudo every time, right? So for that we are having a solution over here. You can just go on this post installation steps. Okay, and then here you can just use these particular commands. You need to create this docker group, so just do it. Okay, it already exists, then it's fine. And add particular user, whatever user you have logged in, that user will add. And yeah, then we need to log out and log back in, so that your group membership is re-evaluated. Okay. You can also run the following command to activate the changes to groups. Cool, so we'll just do this. And okay, it's not there, that's completely fine. I'll just do exit, and I will open up a terminal using Control Alt T. Okay, and now if I just do over here Docker images, it should work. Okay, it's not working. uh Wait, so okay, we are also having some few steps. You initially run Docker solution sudo before adding your user to Docker group. You may see the following error. Yeah, that's completely fine. Okay. Okay, now what we can do is that we can just go for the restart once of our VM. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I'll be just rebooting the VM. So once it comes back, then again we can check. So I'll just pause the video by that till that time. Okay, now I have rebooted. So let's just open up a terminal over here, and let me just check with now Docker images. Okay, cool. So now it's working fine. So yeah, in this way you can just install the Docker in this Ubuntu 26.04. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.